Hello everybody. So now that we are caught up, I'm going to be doing some fun stuff. I still have the American Nails Focal NC, the designer series brush to go over, which we know is nylon. It's a vegan brush, but this one came recommended. They said it was better than the other American Nails brush. So now that we're all caught up, I want to do some fun stuff. I got some gel art liners, some of the new gel products that I wanted to check out. I got a actually very inexpensive set of 12 off of Amazon. I also have Model 1's set of gel art liners and their solid cream gel. Comes in a palette like this, which we are also going to be checking out. But today we will be doing this one. So again, apologies for the lateness, you know, chaos reigns supreme. So I am going to get these opened up and I will be right back. Okay, so this brand is called Joslove, Joslove, right? So I found this one on Amazon and I went with this set because a couple of reasons. Number one, it had a nice array of base colors, white, black, pink, blue, green, yellow, had some glitter, 12 colors. It kind of covered, you know, the basics, but it was right around 20 bucks. It was on sale, but it was right around 20 bucks, which is insane for gel liners. You guys know how much those cost. So and also the bottles are very nice for display. So I figured I would give these ones a shot. Now, we know I am horrible at hand painting or anything of this sort. So let's put them to the test. So I got my little swatch flower here. I have a nice matte surface. When you are hand painting with gel, they run. Even the gel liners are thicker, so they shouldn't run as much, but they still run, you know. So I like to use a matte surface to help kind of stop that. So we're gonna start with 201. This one says Innuendo Red, but it's pink. Ooh, it's a nice pretty pink too. We'll try out the brushes as well, see how they do, but let's get a little closer. There we are. Okay, so first impressions, this stuff is super thick. It looks really pigmented. And the brushes are super thin. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So it's very thick, very pigmented. The brushes are very thin, which is kind of a problem I've had with some of the gel liners, is that the brushes are just too thick to really paint with. So I have to use my own liner brush, and getting it out of the bottle is, you know, a pain, but that's a really nice pink. So let's get started. What shape are we doing? I don't know. Let's try a straight line with these brushes. Ooh, I like that. Not bad, not bad. So it's not running. I'm doing a very thin line. Nicely pigmented. Okay, that's a nice bright pink. Right. So the next one says Glitter Pinkiero. This is like a dark pink glitter. And again, super thick. This one's like a shimmery pink, shimmery dark pink. So we'll do the same thing. The brushes so far seem okay. Like obviously if you want micro detailing, you're gonna wanna use like a micro detailing brush, but these are okay for your basic painting. That one is super pigmented. Even on that thin line, you can see the shimmer. I like it. All right, this one says Berry Purple. Ooh, I like that. Well, so far I'm not regretting it, and these ones are not spreading still. Keeping an eye on them. Oh, that's brighter than I expected. This one's like it's not quite purple, not quite pink. Somewhere in the middle, more on the purple side. I like it. I like it. These are really good summer colors. Okay, so the next one says Taro Purple. This is like a lavender. Love it. These are really good summer and spring colors. Like the Model 1's colors, mostly primary. They're primary kind of colors, you know, white, black, gold, silver, primary yellow, red, blue. So these are more of a pastel, brights, kind of, I don't know. Again, I don't hate the brushes. And I have a lot of trouble with brushes. I wonder how well they would do like a French tip, because that's what I would use these for. Can't really see through them either. Nice. So when I get to the white, we'll try a French tip and see how the brush does with that. See if we can do a one coat French tip. Ooh, Paradise Green. It's like not quite mint. It's like a tropical mint green, I guess. I don't know. I'm not seeing any problems. So far, so good. This one says Peacock Blue. Ooh. It's kind of a teal almost. More blue, but a little deeper blue than teal, but I do love blue. Oh, perfect. That is super pigmented. You guys saw the last ones, the Savalan, the gel pots. You saw how awful those were. This one's True Blue. Ooh. Oh, that's like a royal blue. I like that. I love it. Oh, that's perfect. I mean, other than my horrible line art, but the color is perfect. All right, up next we have Daffodil Yellow. Oh, it's so bright. That is Sunshine Yellow. I'm in love. I mean, for $20, I think without the sale, they were around 30, but like gel liners are ridiculous, so I don't hate it. Even at full price, I don't hate it. I'm originally from Michigan, so that blue and yellow next to each other is giving me PTSD to the OSU Michigan games. All right, we'll save white for last because I want to do a French tip and black for the one before that. Up next, we have Glitter Silver, and that is like a metallic shimmery silver. Ooh, this thick. She thick. That's perfect for silver accents. And you guys will have to forgive me. I have been working a ton of overtime lately, so it's been rough. All right, now we have Glitter Gold. Just another, ooh, that is Disco Gold. That is very vibrant. Very much. It's so shimmery. All right, now we're down to black and white. Here's the real test. You guys know the trouble I have with black, with doing line work. So that is super thick, super thick. Okay, so I haven't cured any of these and the lines still aren't really moving. It's so dense. Absolutely no show through, completely opaque. Look at that. It's solid black, and it's a super thin line. Oh, bless it, I love it. All right, up next is the white. I mean, I'll try to do a French tip. I got some French tip stencils. They're like the little stickers like they used to use to do the pink and whites, but they have all different shapes. I got them on Amazon for a couple bucks. I'm gonna have to try those out soon. All right, let's try it. The reason I got stencils is because I'm awful at hand painting French tips. Although the brush seems to be doing okay. Perfect. So the brush is long enough to do like a French tip with just the brush in the bottle, which is awesome. It's thin enough to do the lines, but still picks up enough to fill it in without too much trouble, which is excellent. Got a pretty neat V there. That white looks almost black from this side because there's absolutely no show through. Okay, so how are we doing? Good, good, good. That gold looks nice. All right, I'm gonna cure that. And then we will be back to put top coat on it to make sure they don't smear. All right, so we're gonna top coat the black one so that we can see if it smears at all, although I can tell you right now it's not tacky at all. Like normally with the gel, there's some kind of tacky layer, but there's none whatsoever. Neat. Not even on the white, as thick as I did it. So I already know it's not gonna streak, or smear. Perfect. And it came out perfect. Bow. Not at all. So I think it's a success. Pretty sure it's a success, guys. Excellent. Ooh, the gold gets even more sparkly. So the brand was Joslove. I will be including the link down below for anybody interested because it's a pretty solid set. Got some good colors. They had a few different sets too with different varieties of colors, so that's a lot for that's a lot for 30 bucks, much less 20. So I'm happy. Up next, we're going to be doing the Model 1 gel liners. I got their basic primary set and the American Nails Faux Kolinsky brush. So, as always, thank you so much for watching.